Hello, this video will demonstrate how to use and set up the COM8 two-way radio. This is a entry-level radio made by Zartek. It comes in a twin set of two radios with a charger, or in a super pack with extra desktop charger and earpieces. To set up the radios, insert the battery and turn on the radio. Here's the on button. As you can see, there's numbers on the screen. The large number, number 8, that's your frequency, and your small number 10 is your subchannel. Your main button is your PTT button, press to talk, and your menu button is the book button. To change channels, press the menu button once. The big number flashes your frequency. You can adjust 1 to 8. And your subchannel you can adjust up to 38. Make sure that both radios are set on the same channel to communicate. Let's choose 510. You can go through the rest of the menu features. There's different ringtones. This is voice activation. This is hands-free mode. You don't have to press the PTT button to use, but your voice controls communication. As you can see, there's a small face icon on the side. Let's keep that off for now. There's a stopwatch, a baby monitor, which is voice activation, but the radio will only send, it will not receive. There's a Roger beep, which sends a beep after transmission, and there's auto power off. That's all the menu features. Okay, as you can see on the screen, it shows you the level, the battery level, and the channel that we're on. When you transmit, the radio shows it's transmitting. On the other radio, also make sure to set the same channel. And when we transmit,
testing 1, 2.
the radio will show receiving. To transmit, you press the PTT button and speak into the microphone. The microphone is located on the bottom.
Testing 1, 2.
There's also a belt clip which you can add, and a neck strap. These radios are fairly robust, have a rubberized casing, flexible antenna, and give communication of about 500 meters indoors, 3 kilometers outdoors, and more if you have good line of sight, such as 10 kilometers line of sight. There's a few ways to charge the radio. You can either use the main plug, the charger, directly into the top socket. The radio will show when it's charging, but will stay off if you plug it directly, or you use your desktop cradle and your radio sits inside your cradle. The light shows red when it's charging. There's your contacts at the bottom. Make sure the contacts are clean so they make good contact. Scratch them with a sharp tool if necessary to make good contact. The super pack comes with a earpiece, uses also the top socket, and communication can now be controlled from the little microphone with a PTT button. And the speaker goes into your ear. You can also set up voice activation on the radio. Different sensitivity levels. Level 3 is your most sensitive. And now you don't have to press any buttons. As you can hear, communication is controlled using sound.
Testing, 1 2 1 2.
That is hands-free mode. There's also a ring button on the radio. It sends a ring to another radio. And there's 10 different alerts. There's also a keypad lock. Hold in the key button and the screen is locked. Hold it in to unlock. Your up and down arrow is your volume. The volume goes up to 8. Make sure your volume's not on 0, else the radio will be totally muted. There's a scan button to scan through all 8 times 38 channels to pick up any activity in the area. The radio will lock on to any activity.